It's sick season, everybody's sick. I just made these very simple, actually some more simple than I expected to be. Homemade cough drops, homemade sore throat drops. 4 ingredients, I mean 5 technically. It's I made it out of thyme and chamomile tea. Very potent tea, honey, a little bit of lemon, and that's it. Let's try it. Tastes like honey. Maybe a tiny bit of chamomile hint in there. But hey, it works just like a regular cough drop. I gotta figure out how to make them a little bit more round than these flat little discs, but I feel the coating on my throat. Definitely worth giving a try. Absolutely, pretty simple.